Hi there, my name's Carrie and I work for the Department of Veterans Affairs. This video is intended for those who have received a welcome letter from the VA Fiduciary program and to provide additional information about the next steps in the fiduciary process. When the VA Regional Office or Pension Management Center determined that you are eligible for VA benefits, they also received medical information stating that you may require assistance in managing your VA benefit. This information was provided on the notification letter stating that you are entitled to VA benefits. Your VA Regional Office or Pension Management Center was required by law to wait 60 days before providing notification to the VA Fiduciary program. So, what happens next? You're going to be contacted by a VA representative called a field examiner who will schedule a personal visit with you. In most cases, the field examiner will contact you by telephone and schedule a visit at a time that is convenient for you. And no need to go anywhere, the field examiner will come right to your home. First things first, you might be asking, why does a field examiner need to visit me? When VA received medical evidence that showed us that you may require assistance in handling your VA funds, it told us that we need to appoint somebody to handle those benefits on your behalf. This person is called your fiduciary. During the visit, the field examiner will inquire who you would like to handle your VA benefits in an attempt to appoint the least restrictive and most effective fiduciary, which in most cases is a relative or close friend. If you have someone you would like to be appointed as your fiduciary, they are encouraged to attend the personal visit with the field examiner. If the proposed fiduciary is not available, then the field examiner will be happy to contact that individual and schedule a separate time and place that is convenient for them. So now, how do you prepare for the field examination? You'll need to provide some information. You'll need to gather a list of all of your income, a list of all your recurring expenses, and a list of all of your assets. If you have your most recent bank statements, please provide copies of those as well. This information will assist the field examiner and your VA-appointed fiduciary to document your financial situation. We do this in order to make sure that the person we appoint to handle those benefits you've earned from VA is handling them appropriately. This helps us to make sure that your funds are being used for you and your dependents and not someone else. So be on the lookout for more information coming from VA in the near future. Your field examiner should be contacting you soon. If you have any questions, feel free to check out our website here, or you can contact your fiduciary hub by calling this number. Listen to the prompts to select your hub. If you don't know which fiduciary hub to select, check out the address on your letter here. We strive to provide you with outstanding service and assistance. As always, we thank our veterans for their service and their survivors for their sacrifice. We are proud to be serving you here at the Department of Veterans Affairs. Thanks for watching.